Good morning. We have this Mini Indian today. This car has been a race car since it was new. It's a 67 Mini Cooper S. It's coming out of a very prominent car collection here in Scottsdale, one of the most prominent historic guys out there. The engine was rebuilt in this car in 2023 by Seven Enterprises. You can see here on the valve cover. You got a 4-digit number stamped down here at 7032. This engine is built to full race specs. It has a brand new dog box transmission in it. If you watch the video, you can see I was shifting it without the clutch like a dog box is. If you're not familiar with the dog box, it's like a motorcycle transmission where it just has engagement dogs instead of synchros. It's the fastest, most strongest type of transmission there is. Same type of transmission they use in NASCARs and Trans Am cars and everything. So this car is, the body and paint on it is very, very, very nice on it. It's just really been well restored and taken care of. I really implore everybody to go through and look at all the receipts and documents on it. We have everything, including the original MSO on this car, typed up for Mini. Pretty cool stuff. You just don't see that type of documentation very often. There is a logbook with the car. This car ran at the Historics this year in Group 13 and placed and ran well. It also ran in the prehistorics. The car's got lots of historic history and paperwork that comes with it. I just don't know that you could find a cooler sports car that you can go and get into Rolex with. There's just nothing out there in a price range that's really affordable, because believe me, I'm always looking for these type of cars. But the Mini Cooper heritage and history, going back to Minis racing down Ford Shelbys and stuff like that, it's all the real deal. Just not gonna find a more period cooler car, and with built motor, gearbox, Italian Weber carburetor, just all the stuff. Yeah, please go back and look at all the documents, go through all the paperwork, go through all this stuff, because this is a very, very special rare find, and hope to see it go to a new home today. Thank you.